What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL, getting ready for today's break. 4-box little mixer, $25 a spot. We're alive. Good luck, good luck. 7:22 on the clock. We got Anaheim to Winnipeg, Minnesota, Vegas doubled up. We got Johnny down to Dylan. Here we go, folks. 7:23, 1. We're live. 7:32, 3. Third time Sam says 7:23, 7:23. Last and final here. $7.23 it is. Carolina to Winnipeg. Carolina to Winnipeg and Vancouver to St. Louis. So there's your teams. Now here comes the name. 7:23 still. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3. Third timestamp. 7:23. 7:23. We're on our last and final. Fourth and final timestamp. 7:24 to 7:24. We got Harry to Theo. And Dylan to Dylan. All right, guys, there's teams. We'll see you in 5 minutes for the break. Best of luck with it.